Learn how to download and install Valorant in PC or laptop. It's a very easy and straightforward process. Open your browser and type playvalorant.com. Playvalorant.com and hit enter. Please make sure that you only visit this site and you will find an option called Play for Free, and we will click on that. And then it will ask you to choose your platform. So if your platform is Xbox or PlayStation, you can do that. It's for the PC, and I'll click on PC, and then it will give you download the game. I'll click on download, and a very small file of 68 MB will be downloaded. You can see 10 seconds remaining. So we will wait for 7 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the initial download install has begun. I have just clicked on OK, and it will ask you to say yes. And very soon we will have a new screen. So you can see the Riot Games install 47.7 GB. And you can select the location, you can change the location if you want to, which is a very important part, because if you do not have the enough space, then it will be a waste of time. So please make sure you have enough space in your computer, and then you just need to click on install. And once it is downloaded, you just have to log in and you will be able to play Valorant in your computer. Alright, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful